Hyundai Elantra, front bumper replacement. To replace or remove the front bumper, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Loosen the 4 upper mounting bolts on the front bumper. Step 2. Raise the vehicle using a lift for better access, then loosen the 6 clips securing the lower part of the bumper. When pulling out the bumper, be careful. The side edges can easily catch on the projections and cause damage. Step 3. Loosen the screws and pin-type retainers on each side of the bumper, then gently detach the side sections. Step 4. Disconnect the front bumper connector on both the left and right sides. Step 5. Finally, remove the entire front bumper cover. To install, simply follow these steps in reverse. Make sure all connectors are properly reattached, and replace any broken clips or retainers. Radiator grille replacement. To remove the radiator grille, follow these steps. Begin by removing the front bumper. You can refer to the first part of this video for that process. 2. Detach the wiring from the bumper. 3. Remove the fixing clip and the front bumper energy absorber. 4. With a screwdriver or trim remover, take off the radiator grille cover. 5. Loosen the grille's mounting screws. 6. Gently lift the retaining clips and remove the radiator grille itself. Before finishing up, double-check that all clips and retainers are secure, and replace any that are damaged. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to support our projects, you can also become a sponsor.